we would like to introduce Shenzhen Bioeasy Biotechnology Co Limited Rapid Detection of Pesticide Residues. This detection method is based on colloidal gold immunochromatographic assay. Using this test kit, we will be able to detect pesticide residues such as organic phosphorus, carbamates, pyrethroids, fungicides, and organochlorines. Take the carbofuran rapid test strip as an example. First, take out the kit from the refrigerator. In the kit, you will find 1 bottle of YRSPN sample universal extract solution, 1 test tube, 2 15 milliliter centrifuge tube, 1 pack of 200 microliters pipettes, 1 white plate holder, 1 manual. The test tube contains 10 red microwells and 10 test strips. The process is divided into 3 parts: sample preparation, sample detection, and results interpretation. First, mash the samples or cut it into small pieces and mix well. Zero the scale. Weigh 2 grams of sample. Take 8 milliliters of YRSPN sample universal extract solution and transfer it to the 15 milliliter centrifuge tube. Close the lid. Mix well. The supernatant will be used for testing. Take out the red microwells and put it on the plate holder. Take 200 microliters of the supernatant with a pipette or a straw and put it in the red microwell. Mix well. The first incubation will be 3 minutes at the temperature of 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. After the first incubation, place the test strips and incubate for 6 minutes. After the second incubation, take out the test strips, remove the sample pad, and interpret the results. You can interpret the results by eye and/or by reader. Interpretation by eye. Look at the control line, C line, and observe if the color appears. If there is no color, then there was a reagent failure. If the color depth of the test line, T line, is darker than the color of the control line, C line, or is equivalent, then it is judged as a negative result. If the color depth of the T line is less than the color of the C line, or the color does not appear, then it is judged as a positive result. Interpretation by reader. Press the red button on the back of the instrument YR600+. The monitor will automatically load the home page. Enter your password. Enter Agricultural Products Testing Module. Select the relevant test item, for example, carbofuran. Input or select the sample name. Click into the Sample to be Tested interface. Open the tray. Place the test strip that Bioeasy logo is on the bottom side. Close the tray. Press the Test button. After a few seconds of testing, the detection page will display the corresponding test results. The results can be exported and printed. Press the Print button. The instrument at the top left of the embedded printer will automatically print out the corresponding test results.